Hey guys, it's Rob. We're on JBox, your friend in Japan. And I saw this. This is the cutest fucking thing ever. Cat neck warmer with hood. Isn't that cute? Oh my god. That's like the cutest fucking thing ever. We gotta see this. We gotta see this other photo. It's so adorable. Oh! This is the cutest fucking thing ever, man. That's so cute. So cute. I'm gonna save that. That's so cute. Anyways, it's for a girl and it's 14. It's almost $15. So I just wanted to show you guys that. That is so cute. Oh my god. This is kitty, sad kitty. Anyways, bye bye.